What's good people? It's been a break from vlogging for about 5 days or a bit longer because I was just getting tired, too busy doing too much stuff, so I took a little break, and in between that break we went to Thartek and we did the Thartek loop, posted a lot of videos of his stories and yeah, some pictures on my website, so go and check that out. But today we were in Don Det in the 4,000 islands in the south of Laos. And yeah, it's my last day in Laos, but we're going to see the biggest waterfall in Southeast Asia, so I thought I'd bring you along. We're not a bad little hut we're staying at right here on the Mekong River. Even behind the beauty, there's a lot of construction going on right next door, which is fantastic for our sleep. But this place is beautiful. We're on Don Det, which is a little island on the 4,000 islands. I think one of the more popular ones, but it's still really quiet. I don't know if that's just because it's the slow time of the year, you know, quiet season, but so quiet, lots of locals on here. But now we've got to get a boat to the mainland, and then from there we're going to take a little tuk-tuk down to the waterfall. So it should be fun. The sun is beaming. I think it's about 30 degrees. Can't stop sweating, but that's nothing's changed. Nakasang.
Just like, I am the boat.
First mode of transportation, little boat to Nakasang. Short 5-minute journey across, all good. The Mekong is so powerful, it's constantly just rushing. Not sure how deep it gets because there's always like tons of trees in the middle of it, but just so powerful. Anyway, now for transportation number 2. Maybe the most German thing I've ever seen. She just popped out a little fan, foldable, unbelievable.
I like it.
Oh wow. Do you sleep with this?
Of course.
Prepared. Unbelievable. Oh,
You always have to be prepared.
amazing. The constant sweat here. Here's the solution.
Portable aircon. Mate, this is too much. Stop. This tune's actually sick.
It's a party.
I know it's the biggest in terms of like surface area or something.
So after what seems to be a very long walk round, because apparently we only got the ordinary ticket with our tour. So that means we have to walk around in a huge loop, then go straight through the middle. But we're here, the largest waterfall in Southeast Asia. It looks pretty wild. Let's go check it out. So hot. I have no idea if you can hear me, but the rock over there, oh my god, it's boiling, like burning my feet. I was out trying to find places where I can put some water on. But it's pretty impressive. But like I said, I still think Huang Si is better. So yeah, as I said, I don't know if you could hear me when I was over there. The rocks were so hot.
Like my feet were burning. I was like trying to rush to find water. But it's cool. It's the biggest waterfall in Southeast Asia due to its width, but I don't think it's the most impressive. And to be honest, if you're going from one of the islands, it's a bit expensive to leave the island and get over here and see it, but I'm glad I've seen it. I can tick it off the list. As Laos goes, I would definitely say the best waterfall I've seen is Khone Phapheng. You can swim in it, it's beautiful, the water is amazing. And if I was coming to Laos for a waterfall, I'd head back to Khone Phapheng and do that one. But cool, still to see the biggest waterfall in Southeast Asia.
Just come across a little info board on the world's largest and tallest waterfalls. And to my surprise, this waterfall here, the Khone Phapheng waterfall, is the largest one in the world. Sitting at an astonishing 10,783 meters wide. Would you believe it? Just stumbled upon it like nothing's happened. But I think for me, the tallest waterfalls are more impressive. That may be next on the list. But cool nonetheless. So we're back at the hut. Today was a success. Saw the largest waterfall in the world. But I think the tallest beats the largest, or the one with the biggest width. But anyway, that's Laos in the back. So let's just do a quick rundown of what I thought of Laos and the best places to go and visit. Laos, would I come back again? Maybe, maybe not. But did I love it? Absolutely. I think the best things for me easily was the Tarkek Loop. That was unbelievable. The easiest way and the best way to travel is by motorbike, and seeing the scenery, feeling free, you've got to do it. Luang Prabang is a beautiful town. I mean, you can really see the French influence, great food. It's right next to Khong Si Waterfall, which is the best one I've ever seen. So you got to do that. And Vang Vieng, awesome place. I'm not really the biggest partier, so for partying, I didn't do too much of that, but the scenery around the town, so many hikes, so many lagoons, it's just awesome. So Laos, wicked. Next stop is Cambodia tomorrow. I'm getting the bus from here, 4,000 Islands to Siem Reap. Pretty much a full day of travel, about 10 hours. But I'm looking forward to it. Already, 8 weeks into the trip now. It's going past a lot quicker than I thought, but I've got 5 weeks left. It's time to make the most of it. Don't know if there's going to be a sunset. It's very cloudy, but either way I'll leave you with what I've got. So I'll see you guys in Cambodia. Take it easy.